Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix game crashes and anti-cheats errors in Windows 10 or 11. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to open or play any game, you might see that your game is crashing and you might also getting the anti-cheats error. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first and the very best way, you have to go to update your Windows and also your graphic card or your graphic driver. So let's see how you can do that. The very first thing, you have to go to settings, and your setting, just go to Windows Update, and here you have to click on check for updates to check for the latest or pending updates. So once you updated your Windows, you have to go back, go to search again, and simply search for device manager, and here you just have to look for display adapters or graphic adapters. So I have display adapters here, just expand it, and here's my graphic adapter or graphic driver. You just have to right click on it, click on the driver, click on search automatically for drivers, and it will search for your drivers. If there will be any pen update, it will be up to date. Or you can also right click on it again, go to update driver. If you have any downloaded driver in your files or in your computer, so you can also browse from your computer using this setting. So once you have updated your driver, your issue might have been fixed. But if it's still not fixed, you should just go to search for CMD, right click on it and then click on run as administrator, click on yes, and now in this section you just have to run a command which is sfc scan now command. So you just have to enter here, just enter sfc command here and then press enter from your keyboard. It will start a system scan. It will completely scan your system files and your app files. So if there will be any junk or cracked file, it will be fixed in steps. After that, you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.